Alright guys, this is Paul from Extremely Bad Boys BMX, and this is my huge Danscomp unboxing. First off, I want to start by thanking Danscomp for the unbeatable price for the BSD Waza frame and quick delivery. So let's get into it. One second here. First time opening first frame box. I usually buy completes. Second. Alright. And these things beautiful. Alright, just give me a second. So worry about the plastics later. Hold on, so you guys can see this actually. How the hell is it? Okay, well, I guess Danscomp has some good plastics here, but this is the BSD Waza V3 in Aztec Bronze. 9-inch standover height. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, someone called me. But yeah, to finish off what I was saying, BSD Waza frame. And I just want to put it out there, this thing is amazing. And also, I had a friend who had like commented on one of my videos and asked me like, why was I changing my frame and stuff. Well, I just want to point this out. If you were looking at these frames side by side, the right one's United, has a longer back end with the 8-inch standover height. And this one has a shorter back end. So, like, I personally would say this frame here is for more trailing and stuff. I wanted something more straight and responsive, and this is perfect. Okay. And then, to top everything off, this is the Odyssey hollow keychain. Yes, I recommend this to anybody. The best chain that will not snap. And last thing, well, give me a second. Sorry about that, guys. Once I hit 1K views, I will be giving away a free set of Fit Team grips. I had ordered the Devin Smiley grips, and they sent me the wrong grips at first, so got an extra pair. Brand new. And yeah, stay tuned. Please like, subscribe for my YouTube videos, YouTube channel, and videos of course. And I should have a bike check soon and a bunch of videos and how-tos. Thanks for watching. This is Extremely Bad Boys BMX.